La bondad de Dios la van a experimentar en medio de sus empresas, en medio de sus emprendimientos.
Because God has glorified you, or He has anointed you. So, but I'm just a business person. It doesn't say people that wear the cloth and preach the Bible for a living. You get a covenant with God where you get to carry His presence and power everywhere you are.
Y fuimos llamados de manera diferente. Hay personas llamadas a misiones a otros lugares, a los negocios. Entonces, tenemos el concepto de que el misionero solamente es el que viaja. Los empresarios son misioneros, estamos en un campo de misión.
You're the person. I want to come back next year and hear the stories of the spiritual giants in this place that brought heaven to their place of work, that brought it to their community. You can do it. It's entirely possible that you could do it.